This is Jasmina, and in this video I'm going to talk about luck pillars and how to basically analyze them. Now, your luck pillar will have a very fixed relationship to your natal chart. So what your luck pillar means actually depends on your natal chart. So you don't analyze luck pillars kind of like on themselves. They're meaningless without knowing a natal chart. And this arises from a question or a comment that someone had on my channel that made it clear they don't understand this fact. So I'm going to focus on the sixth luck pillar simply because it's usually a pretty dramatic luck pillar for most people. Your sixth luck pillar will always clash, both the stem and the branch, with your month pillar. This is actually how they set your luck pillars, is that sixth luck pillar is going to clash with your month. And then it goes either forward or backwards in the pattern, and there's fixed rules for this. Now, your luck pillar needs to be analyzed with respect to your natal chart and your day master. Without these two pieces of information, your lucky pillar is a given luck pillar is meaningless. Now, that means that the exact same luck pillar can mean very different things to different people, even two people born a single day apart. So I'm going to show you that. So here is a person basically born more or less today, very, very soon anyway, on the December 2024. On the 9th, and it's born on the monkey hour, which is between 3 and 5 in the afternoon. And this is their luck pillar, the whole set of luck pillars. Well, and so you can take a screenshot of this if you like to be able to refer to it, because I have to refer to two different ones. And then we're going to take the next day. So this is the next day, and we have a different it's not just a different day master, it is a different day master element. On the 9th it was fire, this one is earth. So it makes a huge difference in what all these little superscripts mean and what all these abbreviations here mean. And if you don't know what this means, there's lots of information out there about this kind of stuff. On my channel, other channels, you can just look it up. It's not a big deal. Now, the sixth luck pillar is this one right here. So this is the sixth luck pillar. This is a water horse luck pillar. And the hidden stems are based 100% on which animal this is. So if you say a water horse luck pillar, that's enough, because people who do this will know that these are the two elements in the hidden stems. So this is for the 10th. It's still a water horse. So nothing has changed. In fact, the luck pillars are identical, every single one, except when it comes to all the little bits of pieces here. They will be different. If we look at the sixth luck pillar, again, this is the one that's usually worse for your career and your money earning capabilities. I do have a video entitled Batsa and Money, and you can search for it. I'm going to really try to remember to put this in the description below, this link. But if you search, make sure you have the space between the A and the Z. Otherwise, you'll probably have a hard time finding it. And this gives you some hints about how hard or easy it is this challenging luck pillar will be for you. And I also give a lot of other information in there. But I'm going to summarize what happens in the sixth luck pillar. So if you have a IW or a DW in your sixth luck pillar, then usually you have a better six luck pillar than most other people, or at least people that don't have this. And also, if your weakest non-zero element, it has to be non-zero. If it's zero, you don't count it. It has to be some level, but it's the lowest. And if we're looking in your natal chart, if that is present in either the heaven stems or the hidden stems of your six luck pillar, it is also helpful in having a better six luck pillar. Now, a small number of people will actually come out ahead in their six luck pillar. And if they have both of these, the chances are quite good that they will actually be better off at the end of their six luck pillar than they started. If they have neither of these, the six luck pillar tends to be quite challenging. So here we have the December 9th six luck pillar. The weakest element is metal. Here's December 10th, and the weakest element is fire. Now, the weakest element here being metal means that this person in general probably needs to focus a little better in terms of working or anything, that they have an issue with focus. That is, they are a little bit weak on that. This person here with a weakness in fire often means they don't have a lot of passion. So sometimes they need to have a certain thing come along so that a certain experience and they become passionate. That's usually how it works. And that just has to do with the elemental analysis. Now, remember the first one, an IW or DW in the six luck pillar. Well, the 10th one has it. The 9th does not. It's not anywhere. The weakest element in the six luck pillar, well, we have fire here. That's December 10th's weakest element, but we have zero metal here. We have water. This is water, but we don't have any of that here. Now, I think you know what this means to these two people. They were born a single day apart. They have identical luck pillars. What will this actually mean? When we compare these two, the person born on December 10th of this year, 2024, at the monkey hour, they will have a much better six luck pillar. They are likely to become one of the few people who can get ahead in the six luck pillar because they have both the IW and their weakest element in the six luck pillar. This person can probably easily work until they're 70 and earn a good amount of money. If they're in the United States, at 70, they get the highest amount of Social Security. So that is good. And they'll probably continue to work even after 70, but they will probably ease off a bit because they don't need to work so hard. But some may work even harder. You know, some people are workaholics. I can't tell that from looking at the chart, but they could be, especially if they have found that passion during this luck pillar. They could work quite a bit longer. This person probably will lose their job that they've been in for some time in their six luck pillar. Oftentimes it's because they didn't keep up with the times. If you do have a chart like this where you don't have either one of these in your six luck pillar, you have to become then the expert in your job, in your company, if you want to keep your job. Because so you really have to keep up to date. And so when new things come along, you learn them. You might not like learning them, but if you learn them, your six luck pillar can be better. And I talk about that in the video I mentioned earlier. But this person, if they don't, they probably end up taking Social Security at 62, and they still have to work. But the difference between 62 and 70, for at least here in the United States, is considerably different in how much money we're talking about. So, it's a really, really big thing. So this, again, these people are just born one day apart. Identical luck pillars, they're going to have a very different life. And that is because they have different day masters. So that's it. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. So I hope this was useful and helps you understand what it means to look at a luck pillar. It's you have to know your day master and your chart to know what a certain luck pillar means. Luck pillars cannot be analyzed all by themselves. So hope that's clear. Thanks again.